The evolution of telegraph communication. Telegraph communication represents a significant milestone in the history of long-distance information transmission. This document explores the origins, development, and impact of the telegraph system, highlighting key figures and concepts that shaped its evolution. From its inception in the early 1700s to its lasting influence on modern communication, the telegraph laid the groundwork for the technologies we rely on today. The concept of the telegraph emerged in the early 1700s as inventors and thinkers began to explore ways to transmit messages over long distances using electrical signals. Samuel Morse. In 1835, Samuel Morse, a professor at New York University, developed Morse code. This innovative system of dots and dashes corresponds to letters of the alphabet, allowing for efficient and effective communication via the telegraph. The word, telegraph, is derived from the Greek language, combining tele, meaning at a distance, and graphein, meaning to write. This etymology reflects the telegraph's primary function of writing messages across distances. The process. The operation of a telegraph machine involves completing an electric circuit when a key is pressed. This action triggers the transmission of message signals, allowing for the rapid exchange of information. The impact. The introduction of the telegraph revolutionized human perception of space and time. It enabled instantaneous communication over vast distances, fundamentally altering the way people interacted and conducted business. The predecessors. Prior to the advent of the telegraph, various methods of communication were employed, including drumbeats, smoke signals, physical messengers, postal letters, and semaphore systems. These methods, while effective to some degree, lacked the speed and reliability of the telegraph. The principles. Many principles established during the development of the telegraph continue to influence modern communication and computer networks. The foundational concepts of signal transmission and encoding information have persisted, demonstrating the telegraph's lasting legacy in the field of communication technology.